All right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back with you. I got a little cold today, so I'm wearing a mask. So, but we are excited. We got Jason here today. Jason, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for doing this. Appreciate it. I know it helped you in your research and your kind of giving back to others, and appreciate that. Excited to have you today.
Excited.
Tell us a little bit what brings you to us and how you found us.
Well, I noticed I was losing my hair about 20 years ago.
Okay.
I was living in Florida. My hair started thinning, and I tried lots of different products. Lots of different things with a lot of weird side effects. I did the Rogaine, I did the minoxidil. Allergic to that. My head got really sensitive, got very, very itchy, so I just couldn't do that. I tried Hair Club. I looked at them about 20 years ago, well, maybe less than 20 years ago, but and then a friend of mine recommended you.
Cool.
So I just decided to give it a shot. And,
awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you. Thanks. We're honored. We're part of your journey, and hopefully one will be enough. And we talked about this before, but depending on any further hair loss, we may have to come back, or the density, that sort of stuff. So I'm gonna have Ron kind of zoom in. Today, your priority is actually your crown. So I'm gonna spin you around.
Yes.
So his number one priority is his crown. So we're gonna hit this hard today. We're gonna go for a plus. We're gonna try to get 1.5 centimeters back here. And then his second priority is going to be the hairline. He does have reasonable expectations, as we have talked about. So, we're not going for an 18-year-old hairline today. We're just we'll draw it out. That's something that looks natural, looks age appropriate, and go from there. Sound good? We'll draw it all out, and then we'll check back in with you in a few.
Sounds good. Cool. Thank you.
Awesome. All right, we are back with Jason, and we decided to shave the head. You don't have to do that. We do have to shave wherever we're working, but you don't have to shave the whole head. But his look was not great, so we decided to shave the whole thing. You actually got a nice shaved head. You pull this look off. So initially we were a little bit lower, and then we decided to kind of bring it up a little bit. So instead of kind of reestablishing a new hairline, we're just going to reinforce the one he had, which I think may actually be a better option for you. But like we talked about before, I'm going to spin you around here. The priority number one is the crown, so we're going to hit that hard, and then we're going to just start from kind of what his hairline was and just reinforce it and go back as far as we can go. And hopefully we'll meet. If not, we'll see how much hair we can get. We got a couple Valium on board. You feeling all right?
Yep.
Let's do it. Awesome. Yep. We'll check on you a little later. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, Jason. We are in part 3. Just started placing the grafts. How you feeling, man?
I'm feeling good.
Doing all right?
Yeah.
Had a little lunch.
Dozed
off a little bit in part 2. You'll probably doze off again in part 3.
Yeah.
Probably about 1.5 hours and we'll be finished. All right.
Sounds good.
All right. We are back. Jason, you made it, man. Congrats.
Yeah. Thank you much.
Yeah, today went well. I'm really happy with the way it went. I'll show you I'll show everybody in a second, but give a brief, review of how they went.
I think everything went well. Everything went pretty smoothly. Like I talked to Blumenthal, the numbing part was terrible.
It's no fun.
All the needles were not fun, but everything else, once I was numb, was fine. Everything was.
You didn't scream or yell or punch anyone. You did great.
No, you did a little stress ball. All right. Yeah.
You did fine. No, you did awesome. So I'm gonna sort of pan up here.
Sure.
So we got almost all. This was our second priority, the hairline and the frontal third. We got almost all of that anyway. And then I'm gonna wheel around and show you the crown. And so we got the crown. That was priority number 1, so we filled that in really well. And then, like I said, most of priority 2 as well too. So I think it's look awesome. I'm really excited. Unfortunately, we have to wait a year to get the final results. That's the only downside. But that's about it. Any sort of words of advice for anybody out there kind of looking around?
As far as I know, so far I'm happy with what's going on, and if you think about doing it, then do it.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, I appreciate you doing this. Thanks. Hopefully this helps somebody else out there, and we'll follow you along as the year goes.
Awesome.
All right.
Thanks.